Hello! To customize your lock screen on your Samsung Galaxy A06, first you have to press and hold your lock screen, and then you are in the editing mode. So you can change your wallpaper on your lock screen simply by just selecting your wallpaper and pressing done. If you want to edit more, you have the clock widget. You simply just press it, and from here you can select your style of your clock, and you can change fonts of the clock. You can also change the color of your clock, as you can see, like this. You can also add widgets to your lock screen. You have some bunch of them. Simply just pressing them, and as you can see, they are added to the whole lock screen. To delete it, you have to press this little minus icon, just like this. Alright, and right here you have notifications to show only as icons. You can select to have your notifications fully displayed, or to completely turn it off, so your notifications won't be displayed on the lock screen. Here you can also input any text you'd like to your home screen, simply just by pressing it down, and here is the text. You can delete it by pressing it again and simply just deleting the text, just like that. At the bottom you have the shortcuts, so you simply just press it, and you can select any shortcut to any app you'd like, simply just by pressing it, like it. You can also delete it completely, selecting no app, and as you can see, there is no shortcut anymore. So basically that's how you customize your lock screen. You after that press done. Simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.